set up their grid pattern. See if I can get it to start the drone. Good morning, welcome back. We're on our way to the property to discuss some electrical matters this morning. Zamaco gave us a Class D quote, I would say, on the cost to put in a 25 kVA transformer, poles, wire. It came in at 1.3 million pesos, which is ridiculous. We're not doing that to run 1.5 kilometers worth of wire and posts. It's just way above budget. Yeah, it's way above budget, and just the transformer is 300K a part of that total cost. Anyways, yeah, it's legit Zamaco post, etc. Solid. They'll clear the shrubs and everything, but we just don't have the budget, man. We're just gonna have to go with basic electricity, hope for the best, even though the current's not gonna be as strong to the house, and maybe later see about solar. But right now, yeah, we can't really even fit it in the budget because most of our budget is going on the house. We are here, so there's again some awesome progress. We got the floor being poured, the first step in that, and the beams are still going up for the roof. Hopefully by the end of the month, like I said, they'll start on the roof. Yeah, we were also discussing, because here in Philippines they mostly use 2-prong for the electrics. So we requested 3 prongs and an additional outlet required for our corner tub, because we are putting in a jet tub. They didn't have any basic corner tubs at PhilCan here, and so we had to opt for the whirlpool style. Anyways, anyways, first world problems, right? Yeah, so let's go check out the progress. Boys are just taking their break now. Yes, sir. We started wetting down the road. Once the beams go up, the roofing beams, we'll redirect the road here. Go around the, I don't know if you can see the yellow post there, go around. And down the sides of the property, we're gonna have to do something temporary because the neighbor likes to bike across our property all the time, and I don't want to create habits and then later have to deal with that. So better to resolve that now and put some temporary fencing to deal with that. Go check out the floor in here. Guys are working on. They've done recent pour for this one here. Sweet deals. Set up their grid pattern. They've already started the pour there. Like I said, they're just taking a break. Don't worry. It hasn't dried out yet. So they lay their lines here, the height. Yeah, and it's supposed to come right up to the top layer here, just shy of that, because then we still have to put in the tile flooring and everything, right? Lots of the plumbing's already being, the piping's in. All the electrics have being prepared, or sorry, the tubing for the electrics. Yes, sir. Hello. I did bring the drone today. I'm gonna, it'll be the first flight. We'll see how I do, because I've read up on it and stuff like that. We'll see if we can get in the air and do a flyover. I do have some electrical lines here, up here, as you know. So there may be some issues with the satellite connectivity, but I don't plan on going too far. Like I said, I'll hover up on top and see if I can give you an aerial view down. Hi, Mahako. How you feeling?
I'm good. On Monday, we're gonna give them chicken.
Okay.
Because we're coming here early on Monday.
Yes, sounds good. See, the flooring over here is done. Sweet. Yes. There we go. Hello. Yeah, so the corner tub is going to go over here. And we'll need a socket there somewhere around to bring another one down. See the walk-in over here, yeah. We didn't put a window in the walk-in. That would have been kind of cool, but anyways. Oh yeah, I never showed you guys in the temporary outhouse here. I'll show you. And they also put in another septic there just for water for the dirty kitchen. If I was working here alone, I'd just have the shitter out in the open so you can stare at the mountain and take a shit. There it is. Oh, where's the tabo? Oh, guess you kind of got to bring your own bucket and tabo. See if I can get it to start the drone. No, it's okay. I'm not going that high. Architect thinks it's going to be okay. I'm just going to go over there and do it. Just going to get the drone here. Regular event in Philippines. 3-point turn, middle of the highway. But it is the Coca-Cola truck, and they have a mission. We're on our way to get some lunch at Subic Market. Yeah, San Ma here, San Marcelino. let's go check this place out here. I've never been to the food court yet, but I want to check out the food court. Oh, it's right here. It's pretty good, eh? Lots of good food here too. Hello. Lots of food places here, lots of little eateries. Sit, chill, nice temperature, yeah. Some people afraid they don't want to be filmed. Shy down. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Gotta keep their faces private. I don't know why they're hiding, but yeah. It's nice, eh? Pretty simple. But anyways, yeah. Let's eat. Del Joy Canteen. Nice foods here too. Lots of good eats, man. Anyways, well, we'll see you back at the house. Or actually, maybe not. But depends what's happening there, so. And I guess over here you got lots of goodies. Shoes, other sorts of things you can buy. And then on the opposite side behind us, there's the fresh market. I guess is all over there to get all your other good vegetables, spices, things like that. Check out all the boats. Sweet. Heads out to the ocean.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hey, oh, look at these guys. So well behaved. We still have to keep them in the crate because, you know, they'll destroy the house. But they did so well and no accidents. That's beautiful. Good job. Yeah, I'll take you outside. Anyways, we'll see you on the next vlog. We're out.